Hey there, it's Sarah. Ever wondered if a younger woman is into you but found yourself puzzled by the signs? Today we're zoning in on the unmistakable signals that many older guys often overlook, which hint at a younger woman's interest. And make sure you stay tuned until the end. Our bonus tip is an invaluable piece of advice that's going to elevate your understanding and approach, ensuring you're not just recognizing the signs but also responding to them in the most effective way. Don't skip it. Before we unpack today's topic, feel like your dating life could use some expert advice? Book a free strategy call by clicking the link in the description or pinned comment. Ready to gain a sharper understanding of what she's genuinely signaling? Let's jump right in and decode these signs together. 1. Interest in your maturity and life experience. When a younger woman takes an interest in your life's journey, it's not just small talk. It's a signal, loud and clear, that she sees something in you beyond the surface. Your experiences, the roads you've traveled, and the lessons you've learned along the way hold her attention for a reason. She's not just being polite, she's tuned in, genuinely valuing the depth and stability your stories suggest. This isn't about a simple nod to your age, it's appreciation for the wisdom and maturity you've gained over the years. So, when she asks about the challenges you've faced, the victories you've celebrated, or the myriad of experiences that have shaped you, understand this. She's highlighting a connection to the qualities she admires. It's these very stories, your unique journey, that she finds compelling. This intrigue points to a respect and a desire for something that transcends the usual. It's a recognition of your resilience, your growth, and the insight you offer. A beacon of stability in a constantly changing world. Recognizing this interest is key. It's not merely about recounting tales from your past. It's about recognizing the opportunity to connect on a deeper level. Her fascination with your journey isn't just a quest for knowledge. It's an indication of her interest in the qualities that define you. So, next time you find yourself sharing a piece of your history, remember, it's more than a story. It's a bridge to mutual understanding and respect. 2. She shares personal insights and seeks yours. When a younger woman starts to share personal details from her life and shows a keen interest in your own past, especially your past relationships, it's a clear-cut sign she's aiming to create a deeper bond. This isn't just casual chat. It's a deliberate step towards a more meaningful connection. Think about it. Opening up about personal matters requires trust. So, when she entrusts you with her stories, fears, dreams, and even the everyday trivia of her life, it's because she sees you as someone of significance in her world. And it doesn't stop there. Her curiosity about your history, the roads you've traveled in your relationships, isn't idle curiosity. It's her way of understanding you better, of piecing together what makes you the person you are today. This mutual sharing is like a dance, where each step closer reveals a bit more, builds a bit more trust, and cements a bit more of that emerging bond. This exchange goes beyond mere interest. It's a foundational element of building a relationship that's rooted in mutual respect and understanding. It's about giving and receiving, a two-way street where both parties gradually open their worlds to each other. So, next time she shares a snippet from her life or probes gently about yours, see it for what it is. A sign of her genuine interest and a step towards a deeper connection. This is not just about sharing, it's about weaving the fabric of a closer relationship, thread by thread. 3. Physical closeness and inviting body language. When she's finding every excuse to close the space between you, take it as a sign. Physical closeness and body language that invites you in are textbook indicators of interest and comfort. This isn't about invading personal space, but about a natural gravitation towards you. An unspoken way of saying she enjoys your presence. If she's leaning in when you talk, making sure she's seated next to you, or finds subtle ways to touch your arm during a conversation, these are her nonverbal cues speaking volumes. Open body language is another chapter of the same story. It's about how she positions herself. Arms uncrossed, a relaxed posture, and a genuine smile that reaches her eyes when she looks at you. These signals are her way of opening the door, inviting you to get to know her better. It's not just about physical proximity, it's about what that proximity signifies. It's a silent acknowledgement of her interest and an invitation for you to feel comfortable reciprocating. This level of comfort and openness is a foundation on which deeper connections are built. So, if you notice her closing the gap, mirroring your actions, or showing that open, inviting body language, recognize it for the green light it is. 4. She values your opinion and seeks your advice. When she reaches out for your thoughts on topics close to her heart, it's a sign of something significant. This is not just about gathering different viewpoints. It's about valuing your perspective above others. Think about it. Seeking advice is a gesture of trust and respect. It says she holds your opinions in high regard and considers your insights beneficial for her decision-making process. This behavior is a key indicator of her interest in fostering a deeper bond with you. This exchange isn't superficial. When a younger woman asks for your advice, she's indirectly showing you a level of vulnerability, signaling her comfort and trust in you. It's her way of saying, "I respect your wisdom and experience." This isn't about dependency. It's about partnership and mutual respect. It demonstrates her admiration for the depth of knowledge and life experience you bring to the table. So, the next time she comes to you, pondering over choices or seeking guidance, recognize the weight of this action. It's more than just a query. It's a subtle nod to your influence and importance in her life. This isn't just conversation filler. It's a bridge to a stronger, more connected relationship. It shows she's not only interested in what you have to say, but also values the connection enough to seek your input on matters important to her. Hope you're enjoying the video and feeling motivated to enhance your dating skills. Our free 60-minute strategy call is tailored to help individuals like you who are ready to make real changes. During the call, you'll gain insights into developing a personal dating style, techniques for effective communication, and ways to build confidence that makes a difference. Don't wait. Click the link in the pinned comment to reserve your session. 5. Regular, engaged communication. When your phone lights up with a message from her, or when she's the first to say good morning with a text, take note. It's not just friendly banter. It's a deliberate choice to engage with you, to keep you looped into her day-to-day. This kind of regular, enthusiastic communication is a beacon of her interest. Think about it. We live in a world cluttered with distractions, yet if she makes the effort to reach out, to respond quickly to your messages, and to keep conversations flowing, it's because she values the connection she has with you. This isn't about filling silence. It's about choosing to share moments, thoughts, and even the mundane parts of her day because she enjoys your virtual company and looks forward to your responses. This engagement is a clear sign she's invested in what you have to say and how you fit into her life. When conversations don't just start and end, but instead continue to evolve, reflect a genuine interest in maintaining a dynamic dialogue with you. It's an indication she finds comfort and excitement in your exchanges. So, when you notice that she's consistently making an effort to communicate, understand the significance behind these actions. It's more than just keeping in touch. It's about nurturing a connection that she finds meaningful and wants to grow. This level of communication is a strong indicator of her interest and enjoyment in the interaction shared with you. 6. Jealousy when other women are around. If she's subtly showing signs of jealousy when you're chatting with other women, it's not just a casual observation. It's a clear indicator she's keen on something more than friendship. This isn't about possessiveness. Rather, it's a sign she values the unique connection you two share and may be looking for exclusivity. Jealousy, in small doses, can be a natural response when someone sees a potential rival garnering the attention of someone they're interested in. It's her nonverbal cue, a slight hint that she's not too thrilled about sharing your attention. It doesn't mean she's about to start staking territorial claims, but it does highlight her interest in keeping your interactions a bit more exclusive. This behavior is her way of signaling that your interactions mean more to her than just casual banter. When she pays attention to who you're talking to and shows a hint of concern or unease when it's other women, it's because she sees you in a special light. So if there is that flicker of concern or a momentary change in her demeanor when you're engaging with other women, take it for what it is. It's a subtle, yet telling sign of her interest in you. This isn't about sparking a rivalry, but recognizing the value she places on what you two have. It's a nuanced way of saying, "Hey, what we have is special to me," without actually saying it. Pay attention to these moments. They're key indicators of her interest in deepening your connection. Bonus tip: she introduces you to her friends and they approve. When she takes the step to introduce you to her friends, it's a move that speaks volumes. This isn't just about getting their seal of approval. It's a testament to her pride in being associated with you. It's her way of saying, "Here's someone special in my life." And it's a clear signal of her interest in weaving you into the fabric of her social world. This gesture is significant. It's about more than just meeting her friends. It's about her showing them who she values. Her friends' positive reaction to you is equally telling. If they think you're great, it means she's likely been sharing positive aspects of your connection, and they see what she sees in you. This collective approval is a green light, a sign that you're being welcomed into her inner circle. This integration into her social circle is a big step. It's about her making a place for you in her life, outside of the one-on-one time you share. When she wants her friends to know you and like you, It's because she sees a potential future that includes everyone together. So, if you find yourself being introduced to her friends, remember the significance of this moment. It's a sure sign of her interest and a meaningful step towards a deeper connection. Now, you know how older men can tell a younger woman wants them what's next? Discover how to tell she's secretly into you. Or learn what to do to attract younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.